Okay, now Meena, India is, we talked about, is our ally, but it's allegedly selling missiles parts to Iran, and Indian companies have been supplying Iran's suspected weapons program. Now, you think U.S. may not want to intervene regardless of the circumstances if India is attacked by Al-Qaeda again because of India's help to Iran?
I mean, certainly there's a political aspect to the relationships that America chooses to make, and it's very easy to know who your enemies are, but it's a lot harder to pick your allies. And when you're talking about building an allegiance with a country that may be in an energy contract with Iran, or selling missiles or technology to Iran, then we've got a problem because you've got two contradicting interests. However, if America continues to want to protect its own people and its own interests, there has to be a cooperation with all governments. When we talk about the Canadian 20 terrorists who were apprehended, that was with American intelligence and communication sharing. Same with the recent British plot. That was the same thing, because information is being shared. So when it comes to terrorism, I think you have to look beyond the disagreements politically. However, if you're selling nuclear arms to a terrorist group or organization, then absolutely America should boycott.
But then there is another problem.
But then what if you're doing something like selling heavy water to a country like Iran, which is transferring nukes to terrorists, or doing business back and forth with North Korea, which India's been caught doing? They call them strategic partners, don't you know? Their former defense minister had a meeting. He had the Iranians, he had the Russians, he had the Chinese, he had a couple of other countries, the Libyans. You know what they were discussing? Setting up a strategic arrangement to stop the U.S. This is an ally?